Hey guys, welcome back to Ask Me a Question. So this week I just wanted to give an update. We have gotten some signups for our first time homebuyer class, which is great. And you have 2 more weeks to sign up. Reminder, it's totally free and it's gonna be on March 26th from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So it's just an hour-long class and you get to come ask us all of your home buying questions. So if you don't know where to start with buying a home, you've never done it before, or you just want to know what the market's like for a home buyer in this business in like right now, come on to our class. I'm going to put the link in the description. And so just sign up for your free ticket. It's just so that we can keep a head count. Again, it's totally free and we hope to see you there.